I just wanted to start my YouTube channel, but I waited for a good phone rather than using my mother phone for shooting videos. I wanted to sign more clients in my business, but I waited for the money to invest in my business rather than using the free email list that I have. I wanted to build more muscle and wanted to lose some fat, but I waited for good protein powder that I will eat that protein powder, I will get some jacked kind of stuff. But rather than peeking into my diet only, that yeah, I can manage this amount of protein in a day from my diet only, rather than spending money on a protein powder. By just waiting for things, I don't know that how much momentum I have braked. And that's the point. It's not about me, it's about the majority of the people, majority of the young teenage who are just going on a self development path, and they are just waiting for things that they don't know that they will get one day or not. And after realizing that I need to change something, I have changed my life by three things, and today I'm gonna share it on. What's up, guys? My name is Yashwant Singh. I'm a young entrepreneur who just wanted to become more disciplined in life and just trying to help others to become better than me. Today I'm gonna share my ideas on just how to stop waiting for things. Now let's just start the video. The first thing I want to talk about is just stop waiting for the right time, thing or money. Just start doing the stuff that you want to do rather than waiting for right things. Just do it. We wait for money, other like stuff. Just do the thing rather giving any fuck about the circumstances that you are suffering from. If you just not give any fuck about the circumstances, you have already passed the halfway by just doing the things. But once you started, just don't break your momentum. It is the biggest thing. The starting of thing is in just hype, but you end it by momentum, discipline. And majority of people don't get their dream life because they are just breaking their momentum. It is not like that your business will only work there when you just invest in it. It is also necessary. It is also necessary for business that you need to invest in it. But the first thing is just be a good man and just sincerely do your job toward your business. That, like, I want to start my YouTube channel. My first job is, rather than giving shit about the camera, just shoot the video. It's like Iman Ghazi said, that don't give any fuck about the camera. Your the video with a bad camera with bad pixel can also get a 1 million views. Stop waiting for the things, as you have the biggest asset, your time. Just if you wait for things, you are just giving away your biggest asset, that is your time. And in this competitive world, you can just not waiting. It is not like that you are waiting for things in this competitive world, because as just it is like a common thought that, like, yeah, you have stopped in a point, but there is also a runner in your back and he passes you, and you don't even know that, oh shit, he passes me. And after that you started running and starting to just getting near it, but he just gone way far from you. It is a thing like that. The second point I want to talk about is just be good at what you do. The line "be good at what you do" is just a small line, but the meaning is big. These days I have seen people, they are learning as many skills as they can, just learn as many skills as they can, by just knowing how to solve cubes, this that those, just knowing how to be coding. With coding they know, learn marketing with just filling brain with opposite stuffs. But the question is why. In some cases, I know that there are higher skill requirement to become successful, and I think that's a good. If you that is a good thing. If you know that, I want to become this thing, then it is okay to learn how many skills that is required to achieve your dream life. But the thing is, if you master one skill in which no one can defeat you, you will be more successful than the person with a large amount of skills in a short time. And the main thing is, you can get your desired money, you can earn your desired money by just pitching the right person with your skill. Let me just tell you one short story that in my school there is a good friend. There is a good friend of mine who the skill with software and editing is just another level. I know that in the whole high school semester no one can do better editing and software coding good than him. But he's a student of commerce with marketing and sales kind of stuff, and he was not able to pass just his 11th class. But I know if he go with the skill of this, no one can defeat him. The thing is that from the starting, we just listen to people that do this, do that, and we choose the wrong path rather than choosing the our path. Is Then the thing is, just be good at what you do. If you just try to master the skill that, yeah, I know that my business required marketing skill, just be good at it. Try to pitch more and more client, try to book just more and more sale calls, just fill up your gap, just fill up your calendar. It can also prevent you from just waiting for things. The third point I want to talk about is just keep going. If you wait for the right opportunity, right thing, you will just lose your momentum, lose your learning phase, lose your discipline toward your goals, and at last you have just nothing but dissatisfaction. And the thing is that if you just stay on your thing that, okay, I don't have money, I will start the learning phase, you will learn more and more and more. And if you just stop the thing, you have stopped your learning phase also. But if you just that I don't have money to invest, that's okay, now I will start the learning thing. Learning is also important like a money, as by the skill, by the learn, by the knowledge you have about it, you can earn as money as you want. And the thing is that if you just work hard on the things, like you are just learning but learning it hard, you are just giving your time towards the learning, and the thing is that you will get rewarded soon, as it is the nature only. It's the rule of nature that if you work hard on anything, you will get rewarded. And this was all my 3 points. At last I want to say, just stay hard and believe in yourself that you can do anything that you dream. Just that you just dream, you can do everything. Just believe in yourself. Bye.